哎，这个怎么把那个缩小的？
你怎么投屏啊？
这个怎么把我那个？
这个声有点太旺了。电脑是不是应该往下面按一下，踩一下？
那我们也感觉有点近，
有点近，脸显得不好意思，听一点点。
给你做厚一点。
对吧？被阿姨们蹭得淋漓尽致。
我要操作呀。
哦，对。哦，我坐前边一点。
哎，你那边现在看起来是怎么样的？艾米丽，
你那边看起来怎么样？
我怎么可以进去啊？我也是进那个吗？你已经开始了吗？但是我这里进去就是那个呀，一个界面呢，你不应该发个链接给我直接进去看吗？
等一下，我先把这个链接发到。
为什么？我来熟悉一下他的电脑。
你要找什么？
我要写到纸上面。其实就是他这个必须要用这样，三手指一滑就主界面。
我是不是应该也把这个 Studio 的这个链接给你？
对，不然我不知道从哪儿进去啊。要不然我就直接切换人家账号。就是用你发到他的微信上嘛，来链接。对，
我没有登微信。
也可以登你自己的啊。你发到我这个上面，我怎么等会儿我的手机在我这。你这里不在网页上吗？登进去了之后，他只要把链接发给我，那个链接就可以。你发给我吗？学长的是托尼没有主播是吧？其实你看，它每个地方这个3个点点，这个就是关闭，这个小化就是最大化。我刚开始我也用不太习惯。
发你还是阿丽娜？
发给我了，我登了。发给我，然后我发在那个钉钉群里面嘛，你这样。
没有，这个是进去那个的，是你单独的。
OK。我感觉不要用这个键。用这儿键是吗？YouTube 我咋了？连接状况极佳。
啊，过来。
OK，看得到。有点模糊哦。不是很清晰。
我这边看的挺清晰的。你把那个。
是我这儿没有选那个分辨率啊，没有选分辨率，选个高清，说明高清就有点卡。对，是这边没有选分辨率。
好像不能选。
好，可以开始了。哎，你们这个是不是应该要调一下？他们上次调的很好啊，你看你这个光圈后面，他怎么调的？感觉还是逆站调整的很厉害的。
逆站可以调到光圈不在里边时候。
哎，怎么调的哟？
对吗？ 光圈又进去了。
刚刚还好一点点哈，稍微刚刚那一行。
嗯，
它会自动跳到很低的画质，因为它不然
可能是我这个电脑的那个摄像头也不太好，也不太清楚。
又开始在那跑了。
是这样。开始。
Action now.
OK。
Hi, hi guys.
everyone. This is Kelly from Huifantech, and this is
And-
my colleague Alina.
Hi guys, this is Anina from HR Security. How are you?
Okay, welcome to our live stream. Okay. Firstly, I would like to introduce our factory and our company. Actually, our factory is in Shenzhen, and our headquarters is in Chongqing. I hope you can visit us in the future.
And HR Security, we are founded in 2005, and we have been focused on biometric products and solutions for over 15 years. And our main catalog including the time attendance machines, and access control systems, and more other like the fingerprint readers, and also now the wholesale product, the facial recognition devices. And here you can see is the picture of our family members. Yes, and also some our friends from other countries like the clients also will pay a visit to our head. The first picture is in the headquarters in Chongqing, right?
Okay. So you can also visit us for any times. I hope these pictures can be more with you guys.
Yeah, more good memories.
Okay, and this is our factory in Shenzhen. This is our product line. It's our product line.
Can you guys see it?
And the product line is no dust product line.
And we have should be thousands of workers works all day to make the biggest production.
Our factory has you can see here is our factory. It is 4 floors. 4 floors factory, meaning different department in different floor. We have molding,
Yes.
molding and the product line, agent testing, and research R&D department.
Yeah, it's not only the factory but also like a branch office in our in Shenzhen.
Yes, also sales team in Shenzhen branch. Okay, now because of the COVID-19, so we are this year we specialized for facial and temperature solutions.
Yes.
Yes, can see. I think in your countries, temperature measurement is also very important now.
Like necessary.
Yes.
Especially sometimes when you enter in the building or enter in the shopping mall or other public areas, you need firstly check the temperature by the security, right?
No matter it is government required or for your own health consideration, temperature measurement is necessary.
Yeah, and also this for ourselves.
Yes. So in in many public places, the higher temperature cannot enter in to avoid the pandemic.
Yeah, and also that indicates you have to use go to the hospital to check if you catch this virus or not.
Yes, yes. So firstly, I would like to introduce our face and temperature measurement device. This one,
So that's thinner for now.
RAOHT. This RAOHT. You can see here the screen, and here is a IR thermometer, and the camera, it is binocular IR camera.
Yeah. So Kenny, just now you mentioned it's IR thermometer. So you what brand do you choose for the IR thermometer?
It's Heyman from German. It is one of the top 3 IR thermometer in the world.
So does that means it can detect the temperature very fast and also very
Accurate.
yeah.
Yes, very accurate. About 0.2 Celsius degree error, temperature error.
Oh, that's very impressive, right?
And do you know what is a face recognition algorithm?
The face algorithm we choose is from Face++, and it's like a worldwide top 5, and so also it can recognize the faces very fast, and especially when you wear a mask, it can also recognize you, and with like the multiple people, it can detect up to 5 persons at one time.
Do you know how fast it can detect the face?
I think within seconds.
Yes, less than 1 second. About
Okay.
0.5 seconds can maybe faster to recognize one person.
Maybe we can have a show.
Yes.
You see?
Okay.
Very, just 1 second. 0.5.
You can see very fast.
Can you hear the broadcast? Once the camera captures the faces, and at the moment it will broadcast the name and also the temperature very fast.
Yes, to broadcast the my name Kelly and my temperature 36.5.
Maybe we can ask Emily for help to show, because so Emily is unregistered,
Unregistered.
but it can also detect the temperature of Emily. Can you guys see it?
36.5.
Normal temperature. So with this function, it will be more efficient, especially when you use in like the big crowd of people. It will detect very fast. So you don't need to ask all the people to stand in the line to do the test. This will save more time.
Yes, yes. And for companies, for companies access control, it can detect the registered people. And for public places like supermarket, malls, and hospitals,
yeah,
and these public places, you don't need to be registered. It can also recognized
as a stranger, right?
Yes, yes. Just like Emily Homer, she's not registered, so it will be recognized as an unregistered people and detect his temperature.
So this function is like the stranger open the door function. So when used as an access control system, you can do the setting. As long as the person's temperature is normal, he or she can enter into this building and the door will open. And also you can set it not open. So with this function, it's very convenient for you to use as an access control system.
Yes, very easy to set.
Yeah,
True
yeah.
or false.
You can set even on the device. Later I will show you guys how to do the fast setting.
Yes. And here is some of our applications. Some of our applications of the RAOHT. Here is for access control, building access control for airports, such as the subways.
Yes.
Yes. For
Whenever you need.
many public places can use this device. And here is for a 4S store building.
Mm-hmm.
Here is a RAOHT and here is RAO8 without temperature. And this here is with temperature RAOHT to access. You know this device. You can connect it with turnstiles, access control, EM lock, and many other places.
Yeah.
And here is for a supermarket. Yes. Later we'll show you the video.
And this I think you say construction site.
Yes. This for construction sites.
And you guys may notice that this guy wore a black mask, right?
Yes.
So,
This device RAO8T it can detect people with mask or without mask. I can show you how to set it. Here, to the setting. Choose here, custom configuration. Here you can set some parameters like first stranger open false. It means the strangers cannot open, and you can also change this to true so that the strangers can open the door. And the high temperature alarm true means when people's temperature is very high, it will alarm. Later we will show you. And language is one. This device supports multiple languages like Italian, Portuguese, Spanish, Japanese, Arabic, and
Italian,
Thailand.
Thai.
Yeah,
Should be Thai.
And many other. 40 pieces can customize the languages very easily.
So also if you have many clients like from different countries, with this function, it will be more easier for you guys to introduce to your clients. So yeah, more possibilities. And so we still have some functions you can set on this interface. So Kenny will show you how to set the function.
Later we will show you.
Okay.
Let
the
me,
next part.
Yes, let us check some applications. And this one is for a hospital.
At the entrance, right?
Yes, at the entrance. For hospital, for the favor department, I think you can set the high temperature open. That means if the people's high temperature is very high, he can open the door. Otherwise, normal temperature cannot open the door, cannot enter.
Yeah.
So that means the people with COVID-19 can enter the hospital. Others cannot, so will not be favored.
And the right side is just like a poster. So in fact, this picture is shared by one of our clients in real use at a hospital. And you can see here is some directions. My point is, it's not made this picture by us. It's can really be used in our daily life. So, and you can see as for the temperature unit, it not only supports the Celsius degree and also supports the Fahrenheit.
Yes. Celsius and Fahrenheit are both supported.
Yeah, and also can do the fast setting on the device.
Yes. And here is for a restaurant and bar.
Like,
yes, people with normal temperature can enter the restaurant. Otherwise, you cannot enter it. To make your dinner safe, right?
yes, to protect ourselves and also the whole people.
I think the restaurant we always go to can install this.
Yeah, in fact, I think each of the restaurants all need one of our device. I think you can see not only as a temperature model. If in the future, if we do not need the temperature model, you can also use as the regular access control system device as like at the entrance or for the employees. That's another function for long-term use.
Yes.
But right now, mostly about the temperature module. So this is also very convenient. Like I said, the module we choose is from a very famous brand.
Heymann from German.
Yes. So with this function, it will.
So if you want to know more about this device and more product from us, please subscribe our YouTube channel to get more information.
Yes, we'll share not only the facial, maybe other in the future, maybe other like the biometric technology sharing or the fingerprint sharing, because we have the experience of the biometric industry. So you guys, if you are quite interested in this industry, you can subscribe our channel for further information.
Yes. To whenever we upload the new products, you can get
the first information.
Yes. Okay. Next, this one is also for building, for a hospital.
And you may notice it has also a hand sanitizer.
Yes.
So you have more choices with like the floor stand with a hand sanitizer, especially I know in some other like the American or the European countries, this unit is quite popular.
Yes, RIOAT with hand sanitizer, it is very popular.
Sure.
You can do it all in one.
All in one way. All in okay.
And here is the RIOAT for Hong Kong International Airport for this disinfection. This is a disinfection room. When you detect your face and temperature, you can enter it to disinfect yourself.
So it's most at first for the staff use, right?
Yes.
But I think now maybe for regular use for the visitors to enter into airports. Okay.
Yes. So for other international airport or local airport, I think many countries may reopen for tourisms in right now or in some days later. And so I think this solution is is very suitable for that.
Sure.
Yes, for reopen the airports, and
Yes.
also like train transport, train stations, bus stations, and like
In
subways.
other more public
Yes.
areas.
Public transportation stops. Yeah. And here is our solution for an Africa country. Do you know which country is it?
I have no idea.
And this is also for government.
Yeah, so the government department always will have many visitors. So with this unit, it can be feel more safer when you enter in this place. It shows us the responsibility to for ourselves and also for the department. It shows the efforts to make us feel more safer and convinced. They make some efforts to still under today's serious situations.
Yes.
We need to protect ourselves.
Yes. So now I will introduce our the software for it. Then this device you can set some parameters in software and the device itself. But now let me show you. Let me show you the software operation. Firstly, to search the device at the device and your computer with the software should be in same LAN in same line. So then you can click search to add the device and then choose the one you searched.
Yes, it's very easy to do this. Maybe first you can show us about the main interface of the software part.
Okay.
So
here parameter settings.
The function navigation.
Here show you some basic.
Yeah, that's the main interface. So we have some. First is personal management, so you can enroll your staff, and also the device management. So Kenny later on will do some setting on the software, show you more details.
Okay, access and attendance management, and you can get a record from the software too. Okay, now I will show you some basic parameters of the device. Okay, so facial distance. You can choose many different distances. It is maximum support 4 meters.
Okay.
4 meters for face recognition. But if you here you can choose live stream or not live stream. No living or living recognition. If you choose living recognition, the distance should be less than 1.5 meters. So this should be remembered. And here the recognition interval. This one is now it is 0 seconds. So it recognizes face very fast. No any intervals. Yes.
Very fast.
You can say very fast. Okay, Now you can set it as some seconds, like 3 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, now I will set as 3.
3 seconds.
Yes, if this one here maximum 60 seconds.
16.
60.
60.
Yeah.
Okay.
And here is open delay. Open delay. This is microsecond, nanosecond.
So what is open delay? I mean, about access control part?
Open delay means it is this one is for access. This one is for access control. That means if you connected with turnstiles, gate access, when you open the door will be closed after 500 ms. Yeah. Okay, now here and if you want to measurement the measure temperature, the here multiple phase detection, you should set it as recognize of maximum phase, not multiple. You should choose maximum phase.
So it's for temperature checking.
Yes, because the temperature will only recognize the maximum phase.
Okay.
And stranger switch, unrecognized or recognized. You should choose. Okay, now let's setting. Okay, succeed. Here is a callback setting. After set this, you can check the real time record. Okay. Here you can check the real time.
Helen Norman 36.6. Helen Norman 36.5. Helen Norman 35.8. Helen Norman 36.5.
And here display parameter. You can modify logos of the
Non-living body.
device. Here the logos.
Your own company logo.
Yes, and
Customize your own logo.
and this logo can also change. Here, this one, when you open the app, the logo can be changed here. Here to upload the picture, the image for this open logo.
It's very easy to change it through our software. So
Yes, very easy. And here is the temperature detection and mask recognition parameter setting. Temperature detection turn on, and here mask. I would like to see the mask recognition. You should when you click here, turn on. Masks must be worn, turn on, and broadcast abnormal maskation turn on. And here, let us try. When now I didn't wear the mask. After I set it, this device will alert me to wear mask.
yeah.
Oh, initialize.
Please wear a mask.
Please wear mask.
Maybe Emily can try.
Please wear a mask.
Okay, can you guys hear the broadcast?
It will say please wear a mask.
Yes, and also you can customize the broadcast content. And you can say from the software, you can change it to what you want this device to see. So you can change wear mask, bro, or dear friend, please wear mask.
Wear a mask.
So
Color
now,
normal 36.5.
Now I wear mask.
Color
It's
36.6.
now Kenny has already has mask on, and also Emily.
you can see
So you
Color
can.
normal 36. Non-living
she
body.
will recognize me.
Normal
Even you wear
non-living
mask. And
Please wear a mask.
if you don't wear mask, it will alarm.
Yes.
Please wear a mask.
And this function you can set like the turn on or turn off,
Yes, very easy to set.
and a very powerful setting of this.
And here the broadcast content, you can also change it.
You can change it to
I would like to change it to don't enter without mask. Okay, I will try.
don't enter without mask.
Without mask. Okay, setting. Okay. Let me
Don't
try.
enter without.
It's initialized
Okay, it is initialized.
after the setting.
Okay.
Don't enter without mask. Don't enter without mask.
Don't enter without mask. Okay,
Don't enter
and
without
try.
mask.
Don't enter without mask.
Color normal 36.4.
So as long as Kenny wears a mask, as long as Kenny wears a mask, it will use the temperature showing and also the name on the interface.
Yes, it is very easy. Very easy.
And with because you can customize the content of the broadcast. It's not like the regular device. It's like the permanent saying please wear a mask. Maybe sometimes people want to say I want to hear different. So when you set in this part, it also will make your device like a special one.
Yes, and you can enter this sentence in your own language, like Espanol, Italian, and many other languages. You can input it by yourself as you want.
Yeah.
Right.
Very powerful function.
Yeah.
And also we have many other functions you can setting on the software. But today we are not going to show all of this. So if any of you has any interest, you can communicate with us right now online, or you can subscribe our channel. And if you want to, our sales team will share more information with you if you guys has any interest about this part, the software part.
Yes. Yes. Okay. And here is the personal register person.
Yeah.
Yeah. You can register the face from the device itself, or you can also upload the images to register. But there are some requirements for the image. The face should be
clear.
maximum and be very clear.
Yeah.
Do not be like this. So this you should
Or to that.
yes, you should face to the camera to take picture.
Yes, because our device is the facial accuracy. So as you need to show out your face completely and clearly.
Yes, to get more feature point of your face to be more accurately recognized.
And also as like the ID number was if you want to have the card function, we also is optional for you.
Yes, and here is the report export from the software. It will show your ID, your name, department, and your job
Card
title,
number.
and your card number if you have registered card, and the time, and the temperature. And this here is a temperature normal or abnormal. And from which device, and if you are stranger or not stranger. Very clear. And here is some parameters that you can set in. You can set on the device. Let me show you. You can click here to. You can connect with the mouse to click. And later we will show you another version, touch screen version. You can operate it more easily. And here you can input the parameters, the keys and the value of the parameter setting.
Yes, and we'll share with you all this like the instruction to you how to setting like the parameters in.
Yes, like high temperature alarm, true or false. If you choose that when the temperature is very high, it will alarm. But
Yes.
if you choose false, it will will not alarm. And the temperature unit mean 1 means Celsius and 2 means Fahrenheit.
And the third part is about language. As we just mentioned, we support more than 13 kinds of language, and also it can be customized if you don't support your country's language now. It can be customized based on 50-piece orders. And but I think for currently it supports more than 13 kinds of language. It will meet most of your needs.
Yes. Now it is. We set it as 1. And
one is English.
And we would like to change it to
Spanish.
4.
Okay, we choose 4 to test and save.
Okay, now let us try Spanish.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Don't enter without mask. Normal 36,4. Normal 36.
Now it changes to Spanish, Espanol, and the vocal, the local audio is also changed to Espanol. And let me show you 5 means French, 6 means German, and 7 means Italian, 8 means Russian, 9 means Korean, and 10 means Portuguese. 11 means Thai, and 12 means Arabic. And if you have buy the samples by the device, we will send you how to change it.
Yeah, all the instructions and also the software manual. All of this the document will share it to you after you buy the sample.
Yes, here is we testing for many different languages, multiple languages. And here we will show you some upgraded functions of the IoT.
Some new functions to share with you guys.
Yes, firstly, touch screen. I'll show you a video.
So with touch screen, maybe it's more like the user friendly. You can just like our cell phone or smart cell phone, you can just do the setting and by fingerprint, by your fingers, just tap for the touch screen.
When we use the touch screen,
So maybe we start from the
it's
beginning.
very easy for you to. Now that this is something from ATM Security. Now we bring up a new model, which is touch screen with recognition terminal with security detecting. Okay, now let's check it out how it works. It is very convenient when we use the touch screen. See, it's very easy for you to
iPad.
set
Yes, just like iPad to operate.
memory.
By the way, our OS system is for
And very
Android.
easy to use. And
Yes.
basically, that's it. Thank you. Bye.
And if you have any doubt of maybe you will consider I would like to operate in touch screen, but I don't want my staffs or other passengers visitors to operate the device. You can also ban the screen. Yes, we will. We have the app to ban the screen. So after you set it, others cannot operate the device. So
So you don't need to worry about maybe some naughty kids just to touch the screen to change the setting.
yes. Okay, next. Register directly on RIOST.
Yeah, just now we showed you guys we can do the registration from our software, right? And with this new function, it will be more convenient for you. You can just do the fast enrollment from the device or so the setting.
Don't enter without mask.
Because I don't have my mouse pad. we don't switch the language yet, so it's Spanish. You can see, and here you can just take a photo from the device camera, real time photo.
Yes, you can enter staff ID, the person's name, and also register the ID card, IC card,
Yes.
and then capture the face. Okay.
Yep. Okay, maybe Emily is not registered. We try Emily. Take a photo. 1, 2, 3. Okay, photo is taken.
Okay, enter his name. Enter her name.
This should be the number.
Yes.
Please, the language we just choose the Spanish. We cannot recognize very fast. Staff ID, the first thing, and the name, Emily.
Emily.
Emily. Okay. The third part is IC card, ID card. We just parse that and do the save. Try.
And our device, we have different versions of for the open source
Don't enter
version.
without mask.
Emily.
Don't enter without mask. Don't enter without mask.
戴个口罩。
Because you don't wear mask.
这是我
You
戴的。
said no entering without mask.
Don't enter without mask.
I remind you to
Don't
wear the
enter
mask.
without mask.
Now I wear mask.
Muy bien, Emily normal 36,5.
You can see.
Emily normal 36.
Shows us a picture.
Emily is yes.
And normal.
Emily is recognized.
Acérquese a las
And you guys can see just now I take the picture and like the not take so standard picture, just
Yes.
take a regular
Till
picture.
1 or 2 seconds you can register.
Because we have a very excellent facial algorithm to support this.
Yes, and now we have added two more languages, Arabic and Thailand. And if you want to customize any languages, only 50 pieces, we can customize the language.
Yeah.
And this device now we also have open source version. That means we can supply you the device with the face recognition algorithm and the source code of the device of the algorithm. Then you can develop your own applications. Your own applications based on the device and the recognition algorithm. And you can also change to your own face recognition algorithm if you don't want this face recognition algorithm.
And also, like we'll provide the Crowd SDK for your reference. So if your powerful technical team want to develop your own cloud software, it's also like the reliable for you guys.
Yes, and now I will show you more videos. To get to know more about the device. This is yes. You can see the cover is full sealed. It is zinc alloy, very rugged, and waterproof and dustproof. And the face capacity is 20,000 face capacity, and optional for 50,000.
Used for turnstile.
Yes, this is for buildings. And the different types. You can choose this one with pillar and wall mounted version and with different stands.
Yeah.
You can say very fast. And in different languages.
Hello guys, this is Tony, and here we are to introduce you our latest facial recognition terminal, IOAT. Our device has two core competitive advantages, which is facial algorithm and IR sensor. We are using the world top 3 with algorithm, which is Face++ and Science. And on top of the device, you can see that the world top 3 IR sensor, which is from Germany. Okay, that's it.
Okay. Okay, here is the RAOAT for face recognition and the temperature algorithm. Okay. Now, at the last, I will show you another device for temperature detection and with hand sanitizer disinfection.
So maybe some of you don't need the
face recognition. Yes.
So much.
So you can choose this one.
Do you have video? No.
Show you pictures first.
MC03.
Yes, MC0303 with accurate IR thermometer and one liter. Yes. Very safe without contactless. It's fun.
Also has a high temperature alarm.
Yes, with high temperature alarm, and the thermometer is down. Okay, and you can see the sanitizer. You can put 1,000 microliter, and you can see if the disinfection sanitizer is used or not. You can see it here, and then you can input more.
Like refill the sanitizer.
Yes. And here is the upload. Is the bottom of the device. Yes.
Infrared temperature.
Yes. Infrared temperature sensor is in the bottom of the device, and also the outlet of the sanitizer. And you can install with tripod. Many places can be used with this one. Hospitals, schools, and factories, supermarket stations,
Also
like restaurant. Yes, hotels, market, and maybe mining, construction sites, police stations, and so on. Many places can be used. Okay, let me show you video of it.
DC charge.
Very fast, and you can change it to Celsius or Fahrenheit. High temperature alarm. Very convenient, right? It is a very good solution if you don't need face recognition, but you need to detect temperatures. This one is very good for you. And this device, the price is very much lower than this
more compact.
RAOHT. And in many places, you need hand sanitizer to disinfect. And this one you can do it all in one, right?
Yeah.
Very good solution.
So if you have any interest, just talk to us. Subscribe our channel.
Yes.
And we are here to support you anytime. Also, we have our online contact like the WhatsApp, Skype. Any way is convenient for you.
Yes. Okay. See you guys. If you want to get more information, to contact with us, subscribe our channel, and to get more. And besides these two devices, RAOHT and MC03, we have many other devices, solutions for you.
Yeah, just talk to us. We'll provide you best support. So maybe we have like two audience. Thank you so much for your watching. Here is HF Security, and my name is Anina, and this is
Kelly.
Kelly.
Okay.
So
See you guys. Bye bye.
bye bye. Thank you.